Hey, what's up guys? It's Jackson here at Panama City Cycles with your machine of the day, a 2024 Kawasaki Ninja ZX-4RR. All right, check this out. 399cc inline 4-cylinder engine, red lines at 16,000 RPMs. We've added the Yoshimura tiny tail kit and the Yoshimura exhaust. This thing sounds awesome. But you know, let's start it up and let you be the judge. Man, listen to that. It sounds great. But I know you guys really want to hear what it sounds like, so let's give it a little twist of the throttle. Oh yeah, listen to that. Woo! That Yoshimura sounds good. I know you would enjoy being on this motorcycle. 399cc inline 4-cylinder engine. It's got a much more comfortable riding position than your standard super sport bike, like your ZX-4RR, Gixxer 600. Much more comfortable. It's blast. It's a lightweight motorcycle. As mentioned, it redlines at 16,000 RPMs. And I bet it sounds excellent high up in the revs. I'm not going to do it because it's a brand new bike and I want you to come in and check it out for yourself. You will not be disappointed with the ZX-4RR. It is right in line with all the hype. People who have purchased this bike have absolutely loved it. And listen to that Yoshimura roar. You can see this bike at PanamaCityCycles.com. You can come check it out at 1933 at US Highway 231, or you can give us a call at 850-769-3423. Thanks for watching, guys. This is your machine of the day, 2024 Kawasaki Ninja ZX-4RR.